Do you want to level up your voiceovers to boost your audience retention and possibly fill up your bank account? Now, let me ask you, have you ever wondered how content creators use AI to do voiceovers? Just like this.
Hi guys, my name is Chill Girl, and Juliet is letting me take over the tutorial. I am going to show you how you can let AI handle your voiceovers just as Juliet is letting me handle hers. So take a seat and relax cause I'm chill. Let's begin. Head over to CapCut, click on New Project and import the video you want to work on. After importing your video clip, head over to Text on the icon session, then select Add Text. Then you can write whatever you want. Once you are done writing, click on Text to Speech. Then you see so many voices you can choose from. This is what my ex Flurry sounds like.
Hi guys, my name is...
We don't care about your name. This is what my American crush sounds like.
Hi guys, my name is Steve.
Don't say it. I don't want them to snatch you away from me. There are also female voices you can choose from. Listen to my bestie, Charming.
Hi guys, my name is...
I already told them your name. Once you selected the voice you want to use, click on the good icon and it will generate the speech for you. You can choose to delete the text. It won't delete the speech you already generated. But I don't advise you to do that in case you want to correct something. Here is what I will advise you to do. Reduce the text and drag it out of the frame so no one can see it. Just the way my ex Tony hide all his side chicks away from me. And so that's all guys. You can now export your video. Thank Juliet for this wonderful tutorial.
We have come to the end of this tutorial. I hope it was really helpful and you learned something new. Please let me know if there's something that you need me to teach. Leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.